How to fix signal problems on a Samsung device. There are reports of Samsung Galaxy owners having a variety network signal problems all the time, so we come up with this video to provide a comprehensive set of solutions. If you are one of the unlucky users who happens to be dealing with an issue, this troubleshooting video might help. Troubleshooting signal problems on Samsung. Fixing signal problems in a Samsung device, while not straightforward, is really simple. Here's how. First, turn off roaming. If you've been on the road recently and not getting any network signal at all, it's possible that roaming feature may be on. Be sure to disable roaming before trying to connect again. You can disable roaming under Settings, then click Connections, then click Mobile Networks, and finally data roaming. Next, check for signal problems after reseating the SIM card. Try disconnecting the SIM card and see if that will fix your Samsung signal problem. In order to avoid corrupting some data, be sure that the phone is off when you take out and reinsert the card. Dirty metallic contacts on the card can cause poor connection problems, so try to wipe the card with a clean cloth before putting it back in. Next, reboot your device. Restarting a device is often enough to fix minor, temporary glitches. Be sure to do this simple troubleshooting step on your own Samsung device. Just press and hold the power button on your device and tap on Restart. If your phone or tablet is unresponsive or has stopped working, you can press and hold the power button for at least 12 seconds to force reboot it. Next, clear SIM Toolkit app cache and data. Some signal problems in Samsung devices are caused by a corrupted cache or data in its SIM card app. Be sure that you clear the SIM Toolkit app's cache and see what happens. If clearing the app's cache won't work, try resetting it to its factory defaults by deleting its data. Next, refresh network configuration. One of the effective ways to fix any Samsung network problem is by resetting network configuration. If you haven't tried this yet, you'll need to consider doing this at this point. After doing this procedure, you'll have to connect to Wi-Fi networks again. You'll also need to connect to your paired Bluetooth devices. Next, update apps and software. One other simple way to keep bugs at bay is to ensure that apps and Android software is always updated. Make sure that all your apps are running their latest version by checking updates using the Play Store. You also want to ensure that the software is the latest by checking under Settings, then Software Update, and then click Download and Install. Next, manually disconnect from network to fix signal problems on your Samsung. For some errors, temporarily disconnecting a Samsung device from your network operator is the fix. If you continue to experience no signal or signal problems at this time, make sure that you reset the network settings on your Samsung phone or tablet. Next, check for presence of rogue app. Some network connection problems are due to installed bad third-party apps. To check if you've added a broken app in your phone or tablet, restart the device to safe mode. In this mode, only pre-installed apps are allowed to run. So, if there's no network problem when your device is running on safe mode, you can assume that you have a bad app problem. Next, clean up the cache partition. If your Samsung phone has an issue connecting to your network, or if its network function stopped working after a software update, consider clearing the cache partition. This will refresh the system cache and hopefully get rid of cache-related issues you're having. Lastly, reset software settings to defaults. Should the problem remain after doing all the solutions earlier, you must consider resetting the software to its factory defaults. A factory reset is usually effective in fixing software-related problems, so as long as the main cause of the signal problem lies within the software or apps, it should work. That's it. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell.